So now that we have our account, we know what content we need to be adding, we know the importance of hashtags, and we know that we need to interact with our followers. It's time to really start kicking our account into gear and start increasing our followers on a more rapid scale. So there's two ways we can do this. There's free way and paid way. Basically, it's all about collaborating with other Instagram users. So the free way to do this, let's say if your account was about motivation, all you would do is do a search for motivation and then scroll down through the various posts that are related to, or at least tagged with, the motivation hashtag. So then what you would do is you would click on the various images and you would visit the account, see how many followers they've got, and reach out by sending a direct message or a DM to the account owner. And if the account is quite small, so let's say less than 1,000 followers, you can possibly ask the person if they'd be interested in sharing posts. So you put a post on of theirs, they'll put a post on of yours, and it will link back to each account. So you give them an image, they'll add it to their account, and they'll tag you into it. So then their followers will come to your account and start following you. This won't work with people who've got accounts with a lot more followers than yours currently has. So you can't go to someone with 1 million followers and ask them to do it for free, because there's no benefit for them to do that. So when you're starting from scratch, it's best to try and find accounts that are related to yours and that have a similar number of followers. So what you want to do ideally is to grow your follower base as quickly as possible by adding content, using good hashtags, and you'll start to get followers automatically. The faster you can do that, the more accounts you can start contacting that have got a higher amount of followers. So it all works with a snowball effect. You will start off small. You'll have to contact other accounts that have got similar number of followers, but it's a good free way of growing your number of followers. Just takes a little bit of time. Just reach out to them. Another thing you can do is to reach out to the people who've got a lot more followers, and you can introduce yourself. You can say you're just starting out, you really like their account. Do they have any tips to how they grew that account to that amount of followers? Some people will just ignore it. Some people might come back to you and give you some advice. They might say, you know, if you want me to post one of your posts, I can do it for a certain price. The most important thing is to start networking with other Instagram users, other popular accounts, and you can learn a lot from contacting these people. A lot of them might have groups that will like and comment on each other's photos, so you might be able to get in with some of them groups. Like I say, it's all about networking. So that's the free way. So the paid way is you can do what are called paid shoutouts, and there are sites such as Shoutcart that offer this. What this is you decide which account you would like to post on. You would choose the post you want to add a description, make sure you're linking back to your own account, and then you pay another Instagram user to post it to their account so that their followers will see it. They'll click on the link to your account and they'll start following you. That's basically what a paid shout out is. So with Shoutcart, you can create a free account and then you can browse how much it would be for one of these Instagram users to do a shout out for your own account. Now, as we can see, there's accounts here with millions of followers, and you're going to pay a little bit more to be placed on their account. But if we scroll down, we can see there's accounts with 30,000, 18,000, 22,000, and it just costs you $10 for them to put your content on their account and link back to you. So by doing this, you'll get their followers will start seeing your content, they'll come to you, they'll look at your content, they'll like what you put in, because you'll choose accounts that are related to what your account is about, and they'll start following you. Again, it's a great way of building up your followers fast in a relatively inexpensive way. Main thing is choose accounts that are related to what your account is about, and use the ones that are affordable to yourself. So this is just one particular website that does paid shoutouts. You can search for lots more. And like I say, you can do it the free way by contacting and reaching out to other Instagram users, or you can go straight to the paid way and potentially be getting new followers within 24 hours. So that's two great ways that you can use to grow your account rapidly.